Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now friends, in this video I'm talking about the Spore finance. Absolutely, I have a surprise, I have a good news for all of Spore finance holders. If you are a holder of Spore finance, so first of all, very congratulations. Keep watching this video because this video going to be excited for all of you friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Let's start the video friends. As you can see here on the screen at this time, if you look the price, so the price is zero, because that's not mean that the price is absolutely zero. The price is very low. That is why the Spore finance price showing here as zero friends. On the other hand, if you look the price of change occur in the Spore finance, so the price change only and only the last 1 hour price change is negative, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the both changes are positive. That means that the Spore finance is going to the moon. Let's see my friends the price chart for more details. As you can see here on the screen, that is the price chart of the Spore finance of the last 1 day, I mean the last 24 hours price chart. You're watching now on the screen. The positive 4.1% positive change occur in the Spore. Absolutely, that's exciting news. That's a surprise news for all of you, that the Spore finance going to the moon. Only at this time the temporary fast occur, and as you can see here, I really like this jump, as I really like this jump of the Spore finance coin holders. But now if you look now, in this time the Spore finance is falling. I hope that after some fast they again take a jump. Same like that, if they take a jump like that, so I hope that they will make millionaire in this 2021 friends. What's your prediction about Spore finance? My prediction is very positive about Spore finance, because I never found a Spore finance in the fast friends. Only I found Spore finance in the little fast. Same like that, the temporary fast. Same like that, at this time the fast occur in the Spore finance. The last 1 hour, only the last 1 hour price change is negative, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the last 1 month, the whole changes occur, except of the last 1 hour is positive friends. So that is why my prediction about Spore finance is very positive, and I'm ready to suggest Spore finance for all of the new holders. If you want to make a money with the cryptocurrencies market, so Spore finance at this time is the best investment. What's your prediction about Spore finance? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video once again.